ABML morning update. Market not sustaining higher levels. Nifty swings between gain and loss. Global markets. Stock futures were little changed Thursday night after major US indexes closed higher, buoyed by cool inflation data. S&P 500 futures traded near the flatline, while Nasdaq 100 futures lost 0.1%. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 0.2%. Stocks on Thursday climbed after a lighter-than-expected inflation reading from November's Consumer Price Index report and gains in the market's tech leaders. The CPI data, which reflected a 2.7% year-over-year jump in consumer prices, lower than expected, gave investors hope that the Federal Reserve will lower interest rates in 2026. To be sure, some economists warned that the methodology used in the data release, which was the first CPI report since the government shutdown this fall, could lead to a re-acceleration in December's inflation report. European markets closed higher on Friday, with the Stoxx 600 gaining by 0.96%. Domestic market. Indian equity indices ended on a negative note on December 18th. At close, the Sensex was down 0.09% at 84,482, and the Nifty was also down 0.01% at 25,816. GIFT Nifty trades higher by 72 points at 25,946, signaling a positive start to the trading session. India is set to sign a trade agreement with Oman, marking a key step in its broader strategy to deepen economic engagement with the Gulf region. The India-Oman Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, negotiated since late 2023, will cover goods, services, and investments, and is positioned as a long-term strategic framework rather than a trade pact aimed at immediate volume gains. Bilateral trade stood at about $10.5 billion in 2024 to 2025, with India's exports led by petroleum products, machinery, steel, and select consumer goods. While Oman's market size limits large export upside, tariff reductions and regulatory easing are expected to improve competitiveness for Indian firms. The pact strengthens supply chains, supports energy security, and expands India's investment footprint. Furthermore, it mirrors India's Gulf trade approach seen with the UAE, focusing on strategic presence and deeper economic integration. Quote for the day: "The headline inflation will not rise to a level which necessitated a monetary policy tightening. Given the economic slack, the economy can sustain above-trend growth for a few years." Neelkant Mishra, Chief Economist, Axis Bank. Focus for the day: Japan interest rate decision. Key corporate developments or policy actions. Max Healthcare will invest up to 1,020 crore rupees to develop a 450-bed super specialty hospital in Pune, strengthening its Maharashtra footprint. Government auditor CAG has pulled up steel maker SAIL for delays in project implementation, shortfall in plant production, and cost escalation due to overconsumption of raw materials. Reliance Industries FMCG arm Reliance Consumer Products has acquired a controlling stake in Udhayam Agro Foods Private Limited, thereby adding the Tamil Nadu-based legacy nutrition brand Udhayam to its portfolio. Indigo to replace Tata Motors PV in Sensex rejig. Indigo to see inflows of nearly $314 million, whereas Tata Motors PV to see outflow of $190 million. Fund flow. FII bought shares worth 6.14 billion rupees, while DII also bought for 25.26 billion rupees.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.